Universo.
Oh, I love it.
You want to join Miss Universe too? Wow. Who wants to join? You? Wow.
Hi, this is Miss Singapore.
Hi everyone, my name is Anika from Singapore. Thank you for your support and I'll see you at Greenland at the final.
Send it to my friend from Singapore.
Oh my God. The daughter, my God. And the mother, beautiful. Wow. Wow. Ay! Oh. My God.
We love you. Hi.
You're so beautiful, ladies.
I love you. I'm gonna go pick up my national costume, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love you all so much.
So beautiful.
Because 78, 79.
Oh, hi! I love you all. Thank you all for your support.
We're gonna take a photo. Can you take a
and-
picture from Croatia?
Yes, a lot of saludos
Beautiful. Thank
from
you.
Croatia.
With my dear friend. Oh my God, Bolivia! Wow! Bolivia! Beautiful!
To have this moment on your platform, Mama Pwex. Pero kanina, usap kami si Mama Jay.
Oo, kinukuha na ako kayo ng video.
Here.
Kinukuha na ako kayo ng video kanina.
So parang that was a very beautiful moment.
Post ko yan
Humingi ako ng paumanhin kay Mama Jay because of the invento, pero ito took it like, okay, akala ko I thought the whole order is his again, his of what I did.